What's going on, YouTube family, creators? Von Harris back at it again. All right, who is hot out here today? I'm going to do a quick tutorial on the Fantaseal Heavy Duty DSLR mirrorless suction cup. Ooh, we're gonna need that for the Petty AF with DDMB Entertainment. So I'm gonna show y'all that, and y'all let me know what y'all think. All right, peace. All right, what's going on, y'all? That Fantaseal, did you see how shaky it was with my handheld and compared to the car mount? So I definitely suggest that if you're going to shoot anything on your car, your truck, your motorcycle, try to use that Fantaseal Heavy Duty DSLR mirrorless. You'll love it. All right, so I'm gonna get y'all some different angles so y'all can check out the different views. Try to make it a little cinematic, okay? All right, we back, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and go in the house, do a little bit of editing so y'all can go ahead and check it out. All right, peace. All right, what's going on, YouTube family? Welcome back. I hope you all liked the video, and I'm just gonna do a quick review on the Fantaseal. All right, the Fantaseal Heavy Duty DSLR mirrorless car suction cup mount. Man, that's a mouthful. All right, so it comes with a few pieces, right? You have if you have a cell phone, you want to record with your cell phone, it comes with the piece. It's pretty easy to put on. All right, so you have your mounts. I was kind of confused with this at first, don't get me wrong, because I was scared that I was going to drop my camera. And I'm working with the Canon 80D. Your suction cup mounts, right here. Make sure when you put these on, boys and girls, you pull it down all the way. If that's not locked in like that on both sides, you're not gonna have a good time. If you don't screw right here, screw that to your camera, make it tight, get it as tight as you can. If you don't do that, you're not gonna have a good time. Now, okay, this is really important if you're buying the Fantaseal Heavy Duty DSLR mirrorless car suction cup mount. You wanna make sure, you see right here, I wanna get close up on it. You see those knobs right here? This is bolted or screwed in actually to the mount, okay? You wanna make sure this is all the way tight. I'm talking about tight, where your fingers and your thumbs start hurt. Make sure it's tight. Because if that's not taut, and you're driving and you hit a dip, a ditch, anything, you're not gonna have a good time. But this Fantaseal Heavy Duty DSLR camera car suction car mount is really good, worth the price. About $70 on Amazon. Yeah, I don't have any affiliate links to that, but I'm just letting you all know it's a good product. So hey, hope you all enjoyed it. Stop by, give it a thumbs up, give it a like, subscribe, boom, boom, bam. We gonna do some credit grade, y'all.